Department of Health, hindi dinaan sa Kongreso ang agreement sa World Health Organization. Na-compromise ang human rights at sovereignty ng bansang Pilipinas. Nagwo-worry ang mga congressman.
Yung pandemic treaty dadaan sa Congress of the Philippines, right? Would you agree? How about you, yung IHR amendments, 307 I think of them, dadaan pa sa Congress? Let me ask, kasi you're speaking of two animals. Yung treaty, it will pass through Congress. Pero yung amendments, 307 to the IHR, would it pass Congress?
Okay. So, Your Honor, it will still pass Congress. Kasi sabi nga dito sa ating rules, we will be given 10 months.
That is our rule. Right?
No, it's the WHO rule.
No. Mr. Congressman, International Health Regulation in accordance to Article 55 of International Health Regulation, binabago nila yung period of amendments from 8
Maraming
months
namatay dahil
to
sa
10 months.
experimental vaccine. Dapat panagutin ang DOH. Gusto kasi nilang sila na ang maggobyerno.